Hello there, this is Ben Shope and welcome to my driving test masterclass. This is from my website passitfirst.com and the test guide that's on there. We're on tips today and it's tip number 6, and that is looking at the right things. Now this is a tip for when you're in the test itself. You, in your first couple of lessons, should have been told about your blind spots, okay? And they happen to be in your peripheral vision, which, to be clear now, because we need to be clear, to your left and to your right, it's just out of your main field of vision. Now when you're on your test, you are going to, and you wouldn't be normal if this didn't happen to you, you're going to notice that the examiner's there happily scribbling away. So you're going to be sat there in the passenger seat, tick, 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 and you're just going to naturally think, God, how many of the things am I getting wrong here? Now there's two important points about that. First of all, the sheet that they use to mark various things on, it isn't just for your mistakes. They have to mark on there simple things that you just have to have done. Like, they have to mark off that they've done various manoeuvres with you and so on. So point one, if you notice them ticking, it probably hasn't got anything to do with your mistakes. Okay. Another part of that is that they generally try and mark, say you make a mistake and they have to mark it down, they have to try and do that once that situation's completely gone. Okay, so if you do see something marking, and if you do see them ticking something off, and it is a mistake that they're ticking, it'll be way in the past, you know. So for that reason, again, it's not worth looking. And the other thing as well is, and you can try this, a little experiment yourself, your examiner's possibly going to be sat on your passenger seat, should be, and they are going to be holding the test sheet there and marking it off, like I've said. Now, I'm just trying to visualise this, which is why I'm not describing it very well. But if you look over to them, it's a long distance away to be able to see some small writing. And try this yourself, you know, put a piece of paper that you've written on, what, 2 or 3.5 foot away, and see if you can read it immediately. You've got no chance. So if you're driving and you're concentrating on all that, and your examiner's there ticking stuff away, everything's moving, you've got no chance of seeing it. So you've got to forget about thinking like that, you know. Don't be interested in what they're doing. You want to be interested in what you're doing on the road, okay?